Alright, we're about to go on a competition. Is that English? I don't know. We're about to do a competition.
Marshmallow competition.
It's a marshmallow competition. Whoever has the best roasted marshmallow ever in the world wins.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's the marshmallow games begin!
My face!
I'm burning.
I don't even have a marshmallow. I have like a banana and an onion.
Don't burn yourself.
The ugliest one has to jump in the ocean.
On fire!
It's a bit burnt.
Do you see that? Do you see
Toma
that?
esa, me he quemado la cara.
I think mine's the best.
That's so hot. Oh my god.
There is little
Stuck
fire
in
in
the
the
sky.
sky. Be red.
I have hole in my marshmallow.
I think the mine is the best.
Oh, in my marshmallow, I can't eat it.
Mine's a little burnt.
I think we're gonna. I think
Yeah.
we're gonna cook first, then the marshmallow.
I think
I'm
go
done.
burn first my face.
Why is it so hot?
It's actually good.
Before the marshmallow, my face.
Good idea. Who made this fire? It's so good.
Yeah! Yeah!
Mine is amazing.
Yeah.
Look at that. Toma esa.
I think she won.
Me? Toma esa.
Look at that!
Toma esa!
It's burnt! Look at that!
Wait. Let me touch because I don't even have a marshmallow. I have like a banana and an onion. Let me see the marshmallows and then I'll judge.
I'm not done yet.
I'm burnt. I'm
burnt. Oh, yours is burnt too.
Ah! The mine is in fire!
There might be some
I'm burnt. Oh my god. I see that you have like 10 marshmallows.
Okay, I'm done. Look at
I'm
this.
done.
Alex,
This is a good one.
No, the mine is a good
Yes. No.
Look
Look at this.
one. Look at this.
Look
Smell,
at that. Wait.
funny.
No. The mine is a good
mine is
one.
I think I just cooked my hand.
Annie, what do you say to mine?
Annie,
Okay, let me see.
you decide. What is the best?
Let me see. Oh, okay. Sina's is really pretty.
Hey.
Alex, you have one pretty one. Like the top one pretty, the bottom one no.
Oh,
Let me see.
oh, I have only one pretty.
Okay, I think the competition's gonna end in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Everybody, marshmallows.
I have it.
Mine's so
Okay, it's burning.
Sorry.
What are you saying?
Sorry.
Okay, let me see.
Look this.
It's so dark. Hey,
Look this.
hey, you barely did anything.
It's alright.
Yours.
Está dorado, está dorado.
Mine's
I
great.
just cooked my face.
Yeah, hey, you
Not
just
the
cooked her
marshmallow.
face, but her marshmallow is.
Should.
Melanie just burnt the top. This one is just cold. What did you do to it?
It's blue.
Okay, I think the winner is Sina Dinard.
But the mine is there.
Mine went better.
Say to him.
Okay.
Say to him.
Toma esa.
Tomas.
Toma esa! Mine tastes the best! Okay, let's try it.
No. Toma essa, Savannah. You're lost.
Whoa.
No!